Alright, you guys. So, it's your boy, Ty Anthony Keys. You know what I'm saying? We chilling at my job in the kitchen area or the lounge area, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I wanted to come at you guys and put this on YouTube or whatever the case may be, and you comment, like it, whatever you want to do. This is one of my fortes. Not a lot of people think I can solve this Rubik's Cube, but proving a lot of people wrong. So, I'm going to do it for you guys today. A little treat or whatever. Those of you who know me, who don't know I can solve these, you'll be able to see this. Alright? So, last time I did it, I was timed. My record now is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. No, 2 minutes and 29 seconds. That's my record. So now we're gonna do it again just for fun. I'm not gonna be timed or anything like that, just to show you guys that I can do it. Alright, so here we go. It's not a hoax, people. It's not a hoax. This is for real. It's the real deal. A lot of people peel off stickers and try to place them back like, hey, look, I did it. It's the real deal, people. Real deal. Good job. Almost there.
A truck can weigh as much as 80,000 pounds. If you are in an accident with one, you'll probably come out on the losing end. The same could happen in a lawsuit, so you'll need lawyers that work specifically on truck accident cases. We have successfully represented thousands of accident victims, winning them the money they need to take care of themselves and their families. You survived the accident. We want you to survive the lawsuit. Finkelstein and Partners, winning serious injury lawsuits since 1959. Call 1-800-LAW, AM/PM.
Sports Zone, the largest fan shop in upstate New York, has the widest selection of sporting goods. You won't even believe what we have. We carry all of your top brand apparel. We carry items from every NFL, MLB, NHL, and NBA team. We also have over 10,000 comics and action figures, and even a wide variety of Yu-Gi-Oh! And Magic the Gathering cards. Stop in today for our huge buy one, get one free sale. Sports Zone, we're more than just your typical sports store. We're bigger and better.
Total Skin focuses on providing a clean, comfortable tanning experience. From their bedside boots to their specialty equipment, Total Skin gives you options.
For summer sales, visit
Just about there.
totalskin.com.
When it comes to tanning, don't settle for half a tan. Get a Total Skin.
The CW15 news at 10. Yes, it is. Get the weather and get to bed.
Done. There you go, people. This is not a hoax. This is not a game. It's not a game. It's not a game. But yeah, there you go. So solved it. That was probably it's probably 2 minutes or so. A little less than 3 minutes again. So there you go, people. Ty Anthony Keys coming at y'all. Just did the Rubik's Cube. Not just a musician, people. Not just a musician. Multi-talented. All right, we out.